Guan. Cái video này cho được chỉ còn rồi cái han group it data, then chỉ còn frequency này kia chỉ còn galat, mình Instagram này kia chỉ còn galat. Anh wale ban nghi kata in la data này trong one là cả group đi cái là cả mát cái đi cái ba frequency này kia ba cái đuôi đi ba median ba đuôi đi, rồi anh wale cái video mà bạn phải cái ngài đó cái đi cái group đi cái đi frequency này kiện jaga đấy là absolute frequency, then bạn relative frequency này kiện cái cumulative frequency này kiện cái mean cái standard deviation ở đi jaga đấy mình chỉ có group này còn là cái video nó đi so bạn nói có vậy so cái quý mà ông là data này ông là cả group cái gì data là cả của group cái là cả mát cái mình cho những bạn cái long có in real life cái qua lát này chẳng chia lẻ nó là cái teacher của well giờ đầu dân được know qua cái thousand thì đi lên thousand này data này từ ngoài long so mình chỉ này ile này cái đó là đi so là cả của group I know cho con cái digital well mà lát cái computer đúng đâu right now mới cứ chỉ mình thuộc do có đồ chẳng chỉ computer chỉ come output chỉ để luôn cái mới cứ chỉ interpret wow so cái mà ban đầu cái này chạy bỏ là nè cái nhà mình vào data nó bị cái group ngô mình bị lệ bị phép điện bị quen là n number bị ngay n the number of data then to collect cái đi okay so cái mà hiện tại mình còn cái score of the student in the math I mean in mathematics so today cái score student cái mathematics student thì 30 cái student thì 30 then we say n at 30 cái score đó cái bạn có group đó cái chạy bộ là cái còn có là cái này cái nhầm mình vừa còn là bị mấy chỗ là range bị gọi cái data này cho range điện bị gọi cái nhầm ngô ada cái mình đi cái nào mà trò điện cố chỉ cái mình bùa lẻ nó wall so range maximum value can minus the minimum value allow data andi ni jan ki observation indi ni jan ona bi men ko ni jan bi ang open bi range bi chu le di de bi chu jak sian tam men di ni jan ko kon ngo hey data andi mi chu kon wa bi kon 85 then ban ja gwar fin 85 then men ko ni jan ngo 12 then minus 12 our range did 73 this is our range again down now so keep it in mind ko bane wala mo da ni yo range down as 73 cái dàn formula đấy em chỉ này as 73 chỉ còn là được the next thing in ban lat ko bu kon ko group gor kon ada kon ko group ka kila na dande ki group na dande la classes take a symbol ma ke statistic ko kan data no ko gor kon ga bu kon ko mo ko group na baden ko group na dande ten ban ko la ten take a formula la ko use son formula में n है This is the formula. Nama a rule which stretch rule is statistic. You don't need to worry about how the stretch rule was invented. A lot mathematician anymore. So go kujimo again formula and be using it. Okay. Then you have to add 1 to 3.322, a constant number, then into the log of n, and then it 30. Taken the alka constant number 1 can 3.322 constant number. Michi multiply a log of n, a number read we take a calculator, beginning 5.906 to some decimal to the query could you mean. And a number amo, he be pelano, go con number kilaneta, tender con go pull a go con win in con boconca de guru no dandy. Moraja class on in the language of statistic, look no group, net and could that anoko group cut. So this number be around no, go be you could know whole number. Okay, this is approximately a 6. Okay, so kakujamo chikon ke jaganda data na kon jo je de kan rong re kala na dang bakel kiri guru na dang bakel so ban guru na dang bakel bu kon ka create ka kan data na to we go to go ko no chikon kala na dang bakel chikon ke ja bana ka chu gwarfe gwagana kala da namdian kala da rawda Diodian, Kumwandian, Diadian, Kabakalian. Remember, she con formula use Kankalana, so that anacon becon group into 6 classes. Ka formula down. Munchicon Dwekija. The next thing, a mutual can class width. This is D. In class width, load no possible values, tendewa, rekela the kel, kakalana titi, kikogurum titi. Load no idea. Muchikona kujagate, okay, Kandarana control de lelekare, the Monica Gurum Dambaka Carodian. The question bebenko Kukula di. The con color the Gurubakala, Kadakan dandy, the con color the Gurubakala. Possibly. Kadida con kala re guru bakala molora so kakujamo je kajayena general range over n over k. Okay, sorry. So kakujamo it is equal to 73 over 6, which is equal to 12.17 or 12.17. And number be around to whole number, which is 13. So kakujamo much you gonna do it water. Come and try class with and class with. Lord no attach you gonna juggle. Possibly, the con that no world of the con color, but yellow no will be that no world of your kind of thing a possibility. Okay, so Kujimo, Lord no class kell, the jar over, come and namdian, one come and dog and raid and a but a kadi, but a wild dog. So Kujimo, to con class with done, to con a great Kachialo de Chialing, Mulono, Drake and a pet. That can attend the whole what a killer. So you gonna give it a they are 13. So class 1 take a possibility to go that 13 or 10, class 2 take a possibility to go that 13 or 10 no. Roger class remember Guru Tenchada Ranacon Kuluguru Kaja. So Kukujamo Bukon Ben Kapa a class interval. class interval. N class interval gwadan bukono kula tokten gwadan ku kon group no kon yo ku kon data no kon ku kon class ke kelat ke so bukono kula to kamendian awo kamendian again twal ke interval ala to ge kamen took the nigga door or arrange by the way arrange with in the class hello bawalo juntan adoi ke jere kenyam taja toke kamalat lat ke men to dien lat ke jete apa to kana kada ta ne kono to first da kono to ke 12 guame again the lower limit and 12 then bakule kan ka 12 wakadi again gor ko mon tama ban chu doji yo abana ka tipenti so ko chi kon lower limit ci kon jak ku kon go na upper limit bana upper limit bana jagana and upper limit of the first class the upper limit of the first class is equal to lower limit sorry my handwriting lower limit plus bracket class width minus 1 okay hiện tại mà các pass cái là đan mà lower limit đi L12 plus class width đi các con S13 13 minus 1 which is equal to 12 plus 12 this is equal to 24 okay so go kujama upper limit ta ka jen this class di 24 chato okay go chi kon upper limit ka pass class chi kon jog chana second class chana mai doi be yeah maba kon ka interval of the second class pan je doi bo cha tan chi kon doi first class so ban to ko ngo ban ja to ka magor kon number in good 24 ala upper limit of the first class it and we do it this way and then my chicken got for 25 it's going to be 25 plus the bracket class we stand at 13 minus 1 it's going to give us 25 plus 13 minus 1 get 12 because 37 so 37 again half class limit kakon mi kono doi kon mi chi kon 37 di kono jak benan ka third class number ngu 37 again ban gwar penyo ala lower limit ka third class so dita a number gu 37 as 38 mi kono doi kon upper limit de yoda kono junyo go doi na going to be 38 plus 13 minus 1 number par ke 38 plus 12 50 so you can offer limit you can get 50 number of good 50 people no we should do a whopping this is it and this is how to determine the class interval malaring ka number then tare kila da kela to kuna man tawdi no waka minti dia this is it bicon midpoint bicon adwech ala is part and midpoint me gwa ke jen ku kon mean kan standard deviation ke mode ke median jen gwa la wa do ke jamona mi cha data na cha ko group so midpoint parang So midpoint parameter lower limit plus the upper limit of that class divided by 2. Gentlemen, let's say here, capacity class parameter 12 plus 24 over 2, then 18. Then book on number B25 kana 37 bigamat bigada karawe in 31 no. This is how to calculate the midpoint. Bana wala ja kwa used bana wala could video and then go and work on mean work on a lelton work on a doiten. Then we come to what's called the class boundaries, and class boundary like that I can bingo be 0.5 be a lower limit could be 0.5 be a mat ka upper limit ka a better class. Sienta ka class 1 me you con 12 minus 0.5 you con 11.5, then you con 24 plus 0.5 you con 24.5. Again kula taga time in a 25 t become 0.5 mountain become 24.5 become 37 become 0.5 martin become 37.5. Akuwa wana kakala ne dia la ta jendo jela do ai ke omu kwa la do ai ke class boundaries kan class boundaries la ka do ai ke melody histogram gor ke data ne bika continuous ko histogram chebi chong chia bar shot ba chong la histogram ine an example me kan ba ke class nyamdien me kono ku kono histogram ran ku kono lat ke interval ka rodien. Let's say channel me la re class 1 kan class 2 time we use kono interval the class 1 da ku tena from this one to 24 na ma 24. Then we say this is 37 mukula represent for class ka kan class na daro. Okay, then yo don't da kono bela 37 way na ni chana na matter take a gap kana madodi na me, and this is not a good histogram. Okay, because class boundaries because we could use kono class boundaries that the histogram da tana. Then 24 one me, let's say 37 one me, kwalele 24 then 37 ni chana tala ka da ka mutala ka da ga la kam din tala me da again system and kono la one me idide ala half class limit parkan kan lower class limit of the consecutive class ka class ngurje chanda go na 24 ka high ka for limit wa ma ka lower limit ka class na 24.5 again. So kam dia na me 24.5. So tell a gap ya then ngwa. This is it. This is how to construct class boundaries. So bana frequency ni bana ka churalaka kane ka become mean ka standard deviation ka all this bana ka chudo. Yeah. Work on when relative frequency. You mean to con and exactly for the frequency of that class into the total number of frequencies. So could you more on the first class at time? That con you just here 5 over 30. Then we can work on a divide, it can give us 0.166 and so many 6. It's better we put it this way. 1.1667. For the second class, it is going to be 7 over 30, which is going to give us 0.233 and 3. Then we stop there because take a conversation with that a lot. It is going to be here 0.233 and 3. Okay. So number go further, put it 0.1667. The same here, 0.1667, 0.166 and 7. Then the last class, relative frequency there, 3 over 30, which is equal to 0.1. We didn't a percentage. This is 10%. This is 16 or more or less 17% of the data. 17% of the data, 17, and 23% of the data. It's like that. Okay, me jini kuka add up. They all add to 1.000 something. That's my number rounding up. But me kono kukon calculate in terms of fraction. Penethin la 1. Okay, so it's all add to 1 because they must add to 1. Here, load the link and relative frequency could be divided. So, one of them, you know, the con, they know the data and the group. More convenient cumulative frequency, and cumulative frequency is just addition. Okay, you are just adding the frequencies up. Manage to talk about them then 5 here. Then I have 5 plus 7, we know this. 12. Then 12 plus 5, we know 17. Then 17 plus 5, we know 22. (17 plus 5), then we know 22. Then 22 plus 5, then we know 27. Then 27 plus 3, you know 30. This is the cumulative frequency. So, imagine how to construct the group with frequency table. Me just talk a little bit. Get data no me talk group no, then be mean, can median, can mode, can standard deviation, then BHU do it. Yeah, the next important thing be product of the midpoint and a frequency be a noun. We should have did it here before relative frequency, but it's okay. Cogen be mean what do I could be median, but it's also needed that mostly mean. Okay, so go kujuma la go time ni midpoint ke e class kana frequency de chata ka first class 18 multiplied by 5 is going to give you 90. Then the second class a 31 then times 7 going to give you 217. Okay, so who I want along time in the midpoint of the class can a frequency there be and all. So we pretty much can talk. The next video will be about how to calculate Michi table which are going on. In the mean do you standard deviation, do you